people be trying to clown me, talking about why you doing your edges? You don't even got hair like that. Why you minding my business? Don't do that. Do not do that. But yeah, I'ma just swoop my edges or whatever, and y'all gonna just mind y'all business.
I'm a buff baby, but I dance like a man. She a nice lady and she shaking her ass. Spent the whole summer trapping.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sincerely.Cia. My real name is Tricia. And if you're new here, hey girl, hey boy, what's up? And if you're returning, what's up? But yeah, so in today's video, I'm just gonna show you guys how I define my curls, my 4C curls on my short hair that I just cut off a couple weeks ago. So we're just gonna get into the video. I'm going to start off by showing you guys the products that I use. I use this gel. It's called Xtreme Wet Line Professional. It has aloe vera and it's alcohol free. And I'm going to use this on Jackie's moisturizer, defining curls, and a toothbrush for my edges. Some of you may be thinking, why are you using a toothbrush? Mind your business. How about that? So I'm going to use a little bit of this moisturizer just to moisten up my hair. My hair is wet. I just got out the shower, so it is fully wet. And yeah, if you decide to just use the spray bottle, make sure you saturate your hair like a lot. And yeah, moisturizer in my hair, I'm just gonna go in a circular motion, just making sure I get the product all throughout my head. My head is small and I barely have hair on my head, so I don't really need to use a lot of product, and I just do that until I feel like my curls are starting to form. As you can already see, my curls are already starting to form right here in the back. The sides are always like that, and the top of my head starts forming a little bit of curls. So I'm gonna move on to the gel. Y'all, the top of this jar had a handle and it broke off, so now it's really difficult for me to open this bottle. But just like I do with the moisturizer, I'm gonna take a little bit of product because I do have short hair and I have a small head. So this is the amount of product that I'm gonna use. I'll add probably a little bit more, and then I'm gonna just do the circular motion again, making sure I get every single part of my hair. You may see that the hair is a little white, but that's because I'm using the gel with the moisturizer. Obviously, product buildup, but it's whatever, you know, do what you gotta do. So, you know, just going in circular motions. Y'all, when I first cut my hair off, I thought I wanted to get waves, but after I just felt like it just was too time consuming, I'm like, nah, this is much easier than brushing my hair every day and tying it down. You know what? I'm finna just do this. Period. This takes me like 5 minutes max, and I can take the rest of my time to put my clothes on, put my makeup, and get the heck out. I'm gonna take my toothbrush and put some gel on there. Normally I just stick the toothbrush inside of the container, and then I'm just gonna put a little bit of gel on my edges. I don't know why people do this, but honestly, I think it looks a little cute, so that's why I do it. But some people be trying to clown me, talking about why you doing your edges? You don't even got hair like that. Why you minding my business? Don't do that. Do not do that. But yeah, I'ma just swoop my edges or whatever, and y'all gonna just mind y'all business, cause it's my hair, my edges, and my video. Baddie. After I did all of that, I just leave my hair to let it dry. You know, I do have some shrinkage, but as you can see, the curls are popping a little bit. Y'all know I do not got no 4A hair, got the 4C hair. So yeah, that was pretty simple, pretty basic, giving you natural vibes, natural eyebrows, natural, yeah, just the natural vibes, you feel me? And this is just a quick something that I do when I'm ready to go out. I didn't mention in the beginning of the video that I normally take my shower and I wet my hair, and then when I come out the shower, that's when I do all the products. And then when I'm ready to take another shower, I just wash out the product out of my hair. And you know, yeah, if I'm not going anywhere the next day or going anywhere, I don't put product in my hair and I just leave it. So that's what my hair looks like after. It still needs to dry, it's still wet. I mean, the curls are there. The gel actually makes them pop a little bit more, but it's nothing serious, nothing crazy. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Purr.
I'm a buff baby, but I dance like a man. She a nice lady and she shaking her ass. Spent the whole summer trapping.